I got hit with some shrapnel. Better stand back. Hey folks, this is Sam here with River Talks. We're out here on, this might have been a dry riverbed, maybe a million years ago, you never know. We're in Tacoma and we're having fun. This is what we do on our weekends. You just can't get this baby broke. Slam it down. There you go, you're getting it now. Yep. Alright, we're gonna get back to this. While you watch this video, you can just hear some metal music playing in the background while we're doing this, you know, in your head. Something like that. Alright. Love you, folks. And remember, you don't have to stay where you start. You can go from a belt to suspenders. Right. Have a blessed day. Destruction!